From the Rental Agreement Overview, go to the Vehicle Info tab. Click on the Check Out this vehicle button as shown in the video. The layout shows damages from previous check-in or check-out. Click on the Edit icon to indicate if there is any damage in the vehicle. Tap on the Undo icon button to undo any markings. Or click on the Reset button to remove all the markings on the vehicle layout image. Fill out the details such as the mileage reading and date and time of checkout. You may also upload photos by clicking on the plus icon in the attachment section as shown in the video. Finally, the hirer and inspector can digitally sign the checklist. Once complete, click on the Proceed button. You will be directed to the Checklist tab and the rental agreement status should reflect in progress. To print the checklist you just created, go to the Checklist tab within the Rental Agreement module. At the bottom, you will see buttons. Click on the Print Checklist button. You will be able to view it and you can either print or download the PDF file. To update the rate, go to the Vehicle Info tab instead and look for the Update Rate button. Click on the Edit button at the upper right corner of the table. Enter the new rate. Then click Save to apply the changes. To renew an existing rental agreement, go to the Vehicle Info tab and click the Renew button. Enter the new agreement date and other information. Then click the Add button to confirm. You will see the new rental agreement reference number here together with the status. Click on the hyperlinked agreement reference number. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Proceed button. Click the Proceed button here to continue with the new rental agreement. You can now see the vehicle listed under the Vehicle Info tab. Click on the Checkout button to proceed with the checkout process in the new rental agreement. Click Yes to confirm. The new rental agreement is now in progress, and the old one will be automatically tagged as completed. To adjust the rental period for overdue agreements, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on this arrow button. Set the adjusted date in, and click Save. The status is now in progress.